Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Akan riutri Urisau arza Plie ka St. John Boys High Secondary School Sohra Jingrakhe ya ka singiburam ya ki kmik pa lani ka Parents Day. Hakani ka ju usngila pli perdaru ya ka Jingrakhe jubilee rupa ni ka Jingdap arpusan Snem ka High Secondary Section hakani ka school. Ukongsan hakani ka singi ude Menteri Ketanat Puli Puthi ka Sorka Jilla u rakam sangma katbau MLA ka Sohrapan uba Gavin William ula longkum usembut kongsan. Laidan langru unang aibut Ketanat Puli Puthi ka Sarkar uba Himalaya Changpliang. Lapun pu penpiang ya kan singi da ka jing shimenta jong kena school ha ka jing ruai ka jing shan.
For the Dam Sohra Advisor, Education Department, Jingrakhe Sama. Thank you. Kami ada Jingdap di. Hari itu membuat langkah ini. Wei ni nong hikai. Yang dari Sohra constituency. Jom kinong hikai, ban kena school ka St.John Boys High Secondary School, Sohra ban Plie from dia pi baro ki kmi pa jom kena school jui hak ka sini ban le from dia pi kom ki kmi pa ngasmu pi baro ba pilawan kena punishment talang hak ka sini to play ka ko do ya pi.
My colleague in the assembly, an honorable MLA from Sohra, Gavin William, and respected advisor and a former MLA, who is also the former retired IAS official from Government of Meghalaya, Sir SM Plie, and our BDO from Sohra Molagans Block Development Office, our SPDO, our in church, this police station, and the officers from the Education Department.
I now request our two guests to release the book. Let us all give a round of applause. Again, let's give our Vice Principal, Dr. Elias, the author of the book, a huge round of applause.